Hello, today we're talking about solving systems of inequalities, and basically what we're going to do is graph each of these lines on here and then there will be shading. So let's do the first one. It's already in y equals mx plus b format. This is b, or the y-intercept, and this is m, or the slope. So I'm going to start at 5 on the y. This is my y-axis. Here's x, so I'm starting at 5. And then for my slope, I'm going 2 over 1, right? I can make 2 look like a fraction is 2 over 1. So I'm going to rise 2 and go right 1. Rise 2, right 1. Rise 2, right 1. And then we're going to connect that. And we want to do a dashed line if it's less than, so back to this again. So if it's less than or greater than, it's dashed. And if it's less than, equal, or greater than equal, it's solid. So ours does not include points on the line, so we want ours to be dashed. And then I need to figure out where to shade. This is saying the y-axis is underneath the line. Less than is under. So all my y values on the y-axis are underneath the line. So I'm going to shade here. If you struggle with that part, you can always pick a point and check it. So here's the origin. So if I check the origin over here, we'll check it down here. 0 less than 2 times 0 plus 5. 0 less than 5, that's true. So that is where we shade. If it was false, I would not shade there. All right, let's try this one. I need to get y by itself first. So move your x term over. We would subtract it, right? And then divide by a -4. And you're going to divide everywhere by a -4. Recall that when I divide by a negative number, I must flip my inequality sign. So y, and this is going to flip, is less than or equal to 3/4 x plus 1. -4 divided by -4 is plus 1. Again, I plot it, plot 1 on y, and I want up 3, right 4. 1, 2, 3. This one is going to be a solid line because I have equals underneath there. And again, I want my y values underneath the line. So here's my line, y values underneath. And again, if I check 0, 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. Is 0 bigger than -4? Yes, it is. Okay, so my actual answer then is all of this stuff staying underneath that line and also under this line right here. Any point in this shaded area will work in both of these equations. All right, let's try one more. Again, get y by itself. Divide by a -1. We're dividing by a negative, so I must flip my inequality sign. This will be -x minus 3. Go ahead and plot, so we go down 3. This slope is -1 over 1, so you can go down 1, right 1, else you can go up 1, left 1. I have a solid line because I have an equal sign. This time all my y values are above the line, so I'm shading up here. Again, if you want to test 0, 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 is less than 3, so that works. All right, this one over here. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides, divide by -5. Again, I'm dividing by a negative number, so my inequality sign is going to flip. And -10 divided by -5 is 2. So plot 2 on the y. I'm going to go ahead and move my negative to the bottom part. We can put the negative anywhere we want on a fraction, You can put it on the top, you can put it on the bottom, or you can put it smack dab in the center here. I like to put it on the bottom so that I can rise and then run. I like the word rise meaning up. So rise 2, left 5. Rise 2, left 5. Right there. This one is going to be dashed because I do not have an equal sign, so I do not want to include the points on the line. And again, I'm going to shade under. So we got a lot of, this one was over, I guess. This one was y's are greater than the line. This one is y's are less than the line. So here's my y-axis. This was my line that I did. I'm going to shade under. Testing 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Is 0 greater than a negative number? Yes, it is. So my final shade is where I had double line the area here. So it's going to be right in here. And that is how you solve systems of inequalities.